Alrighty. As we can see, we just fucking smashed TP. So, coming into the market today, we had this range here. We opened, market open down here. We formed this range. If we look at the 1 minute, we formed this range. We came down, swept these lows right here, formed an order block, boom, went up right here. Powell spoke, market went up, boom. As you can see, we had these lower time frame highs that were absolutely shit on. We came into this order block, swept this stuff out right in here. Let's see, all this was filled like literally perfectly. We came in and swept all this stuff. If we look at the 15 minute, as you can see, if I were to go here and look at this, this would be an order block right here. We came in and swept that, or came into the order block, sorry, the range of the order block. So what I was looking for, Powell spoke, obviously I didn't buy, but he basically said like interest rates dropping and unemployment is much better than before. So I was like, okay, it's gonna go higher. It does go higher. It forms, as we can see, we have NASDAQ and, one sec, I'm gonna put NASDAQ as well. Obviously, similar shit here. Comes up, sweeps, fills this imbalance due to Powell. If you look at the 5 minute here, so this is where it got really interesting. So we have a low, we come up, we sweep, we make a low, we make a high, and then obviously we come down here on ES. We come up, we make a high, or sorry, we make a low, we make a lower high, we make a, sorry, the divergence. This is like SMT. So I'm trying to see it. Sorry, I'm just fucking tired. We come up here, we make a low, or higher low, not a higher high. We make another low. Here we make a low, not a higher high. And then we come down and do kind of the same thing. So it's obviously not trying to go higher. Wow, it's dumping. So then I scale down to the 1 minute. And what we see is we see this move up, strong move down, strong move up, sort of not a strong move down. But what we're seeing here is a range of price action, a big range of what we call BPR, price range where there's a lot of meaning in the market, because we have basically price gaps that are getting filled over and over again. So market's obviously going to react off of that. As you see, we have this range right here, this whole range in there, right there. Oops, wait, we have two. This range here, and this range right here. Obviously, we see literally perfect entry. What I'm looking for is shorts. It didn't fully sweep out this this lower time frame liquidity, but it did come up into the order block, as I said before here, in this area, sort of right here. So it was perfect. But we come here, we scale it locked down on the 5 minute, sorry, the 1 minute. This was a perfect entry. I should have held it. So what we see is it starts to make its way back down. It comes up, creates double highs, comes down into this range, sort of decides to break through it, this BPR area here. We'll mark out that range right here. As you see, it breaks through it right here on this little candle. Then we see a nice, sorry. So originally when we entered this BPR again, we broke it, sorry, not here. We broke it up here. Because this range right here, there's a fair value gap, another fair value gap. We come in, we absolutely shit on this range, come up. I should have entered here, I entered here, but it came up, re-entered that after breaking BPR. Boom, shit to the downside. Should have entered right here, stops down here, but that is okay. We entered there, stops right there. As you can see, I'm down on the account, but this was filled. How do I do this? Today's P&L, $620. Obviously, it went pretty damn well. I'm gonna wrap it up there. A nice solid BPR fair value gap entry to the downside off of a liquidity sweep. Pretty beautiful.